Good morning, everyone. Let's get this day going. Levels to watch out for. I'm watching that 19840 675, which is basically that previous pre-market high. And as soon as we can crack that, we can go into these higher highs up into that 19.9. Until then, kind of just sitting on hands, not much. From Asia to London, we are bearish and we are completely under this week's session and on Fridays. So we're playing with this session right here, targeting from Asia of last Thursday, where we had that nice run up. So sitting on a nice demand zone, but just staying patient here. Hence that massive pop that we just had. You got me on my toes. I'm slipping into the lava. Sorry, guys. I'm just heading on Twitch now. Pop-Tart, what is up? Ace of Fortnite. Mod me right now. J underscore. What the heck? Let me do this. Edit. Okay. We are Gucci in the Gucci. We are Gucci. Good morning. Can't hear you on Discord. Say swear. Say swear, because it says I'm lighting up. Can you guys hear me or no? Oh, everyone is saying they can't hear me. Well, I guess that's a little bit awkward then, huh? Testing. Can you guys hear me now? It shows that I'm lighting up. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Nada. Testing. How about now? I know you guys hear me on stream. I'm wondering, okay, now you guys can hear me. Perfect. Anyways, here's these levels approaching, guys. So I said 19.84675 was the level I was targeting. We did scratch right above that. I want to close on a 2-minute, which we might be able to get right here. 19 seconds left, 18, and just staying a little bit patient. Smart move is to wait for the psych level right at that 50, but did lose the stream though. Oh, I just forgot to turn it back on. I got you. Share. There we go. Still raging. Nothing really going on yet. And today all we got are yellow folders, but tomorrow we do got FOMC, so tread carefully. baby, you keep temperatures hotter. 96. Cool. Okay. Let's slide in. Huh, Rams? Papa has to slide in. Here we go. Have you seen anyone ever get the top of the wick like that? Oh, well, it's not going to show anymore. Jeez Louise. Literally in at like 61, guys. Worst fill ever, but that's where Papa is. I'll stay a little bit loose here. Oh, good grief. Allergies are not meant for me. Oh my gosh, suck up right now. What in the world was that, Rams? Yeah. But in actual freaks. I'm bearish FOMC tomorrow. Yeah. Nothing for me this morning. Completely understood. Zulu. Tapped and re-entered right at 50. Does he get smacked again? Are you bearish or bullish? Bullish as of right now. Holding bullish. Just off of pre-market structure. Currently up 7 points, but overall market trend is still bearish from London and Asia. Keep going. Keep running. Ooh, nope. Push, push. Wow, with the smack. Plus 10, back to B. Wow. Raps. That was crazy. That was crazy. Well, I got tapped. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. That's a smack. I want to see if we can get that tiniest little bounce off of there. Ooh, there we go. Okay. I'm going to tap into these shorts here in at 27. Rams, do you want to share P&L, but just this right here? Yeah. There we go. Or you can even do total or open right here, but not this. I mean, I'm printing right now, so it's okay. I'm gonna put that SL crazy tight now. Right at 12. Up 2K off this continuation move. 27. 75. Oh, I got tapped. Awesome. I still want to continue. There we go. Oops. That much. Whoa, there he is. What is up?
45.
Wow.
Wow, this guy is jugs. Oh, my ring light's not on. That sucks. I was wondering.
There we go.
Stupid.
Catching that continuation. 10 points. I don't want just 10 points.
Yeah, I kind of mess with the 10 points. I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, in this market, shit, that's $1,000 right there for me.
Shit, I caught that. I caught that full move.
15. All right. Well, I'm gonna keep that SL crazy tight now. And if we can continue to get that move to K right here, and we are underneath 18. So I'm gonna put it at 19,802 and just hold.
Caught 126 ticks this morning on 2 contracts. Tough.
Oh, it tapped me.
You got tapped already?
Yeah, I said I put it at 19,802, but it's gonna continue. These are some nice moves. Wow.
Oh, sorry. I was trading on my bro. I have not taken a trade today on the other express, actually. That's good. I can trade that.
You can trade that.
I can trade it, Dot.
Worst fills alive. Okay, somehow we're green today. Like that fill. Take me out of anything. Yep.
What are you trying to go long?
Pardon?
Oh my days.
Still short. I just got tapped though. I'm already up 1,500 on this one. Should I move to the next account, Vin?
I think
Be
so.
smart. Yeah, I think so too. Why don't we do that?
Especially if you're up 1,500, that's a lot.
All right.
I kind of want to see what we do here, though. I'd like a bounce.
No screen. Oh. I blame Vinny. Vinny turned me off. Wow.
What
Vin.
did I do?
Initial entry at 27. 827. This is 70 points right now.
Why am I on ES? That's a great question. Damn, that is a good entry, Ace.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, jeez Louise. Holy shit.
Somebody scare ya?
Yeah.
Who, Rams?
Yeah.
Idiot.
That's what happened. Yeah,
Idiots.
Silly ass Rams.
Silly, goofy Rams.
Yeah, I just sneezed. That's all it was.
Yeah, not reasonable crash out for sure. Dang, that was a massive dump at open, though. Good heavens.
Good heavens.
Well, I guess it wasn't at open. It was after open, but still.
Yo, mute me for 2 seconds. What? Mute me for 2 seconds. I think we could see a potential small bounce here. Very, very small. Off of this 50-ish level. I'll tap in. Small little 5. waiting for it.
Yeah, you could definitely catch a bounce here. Yeah, there's your bounce.
Yep. Barely green though, Ben.
It was really small, yeah.
It was so small. 10-point bounce. But hey, you said we take those right now.
But I mean, you kind of got to, you know?
Yeah. I didn't, and I probably should have. So there's also that. We just got tenants. Oh, and there it is again. I still think it's there.
The long?
Yeah.
It's possible. This is super volatile though. Kind of
It
at a
is.
bottom
You gotta be
of a
careful.
move type of thing going on here.
So in at 54 for potential bounce. I don't think it's the best move, but it's definitely
No, I like it
good
though.
R to R. It's good at R to R. So risk 7 points, already up 10. So this shit's popping. I'm already gonna move my SL to right under 65. And that's up 1,500. Gonna move it to 69 now for the memes.
Ooh.
And wow, that is a good pop. Good R to R there, guys. Up 25 points. Let this bitch just keep running.
Oh my.
Language. Yep. And I secured there for 2,600. Good shit, guys. Nice pop. And that makes us equal to pre-market low right before the open. So that's a good take right there, right at that 780. Could watch for a continuation back down now. SL right above that wick. So we're really not risking shit. And there it is.
Yeah, that was nice. That was nice.
6. No, and it came back. For anyone else who said, wow, these fills are impossible.
I don't think they're impossible.
I know, but for anyone who did say that, Vin, and there's our 10 points already. Still going for more. I'm going to move that SL already. Playing the safe game today. Already up 3K. 3.4. And takes. Okay. So up $3,339 already for the day on one account. Anyone else losing Discord sound? It doesn't seem to be an us issue. Vinny can hear
No.
me.
Yeah, I can hear you
I think
fine.
it's a stage issue, guys.
It's just a Discord issue. They just are not very good at what. For some reason,
but that
they
only
always
shows
have a problem
13.
with this stuff.
You can do this one though. Equity. Doesn't matter to me, to be honest. That's how we should do it. Equity? Yeah, that's fine with me.
What's equity?
Instead of dollar total PL. No, Rhymes is saying show equity and open P&L as opposed to just dollar total PL.
You know the glitch.
Yeah, because you know the glitch, Vin.
Oh yeah, where you get smacked and then it's just negative period. Yeah.
The
Never-
distance to drawdown right now is fucking through the roof.
Yeah, one tick.
Yeah, guys, if you guys are losing audio on Discord, just reset your Discord. It seems to be working for people. Guys, that call out for the short. Jeez Louise. We literally risked, what, 3 points, Vin?
Yeah, you made a bunch right there.
Jeez.
You think we make new
That's
lows
like
here?
30 points. Honestly, I do. If we could crack that 50, 1,000%. Here she goes. Let's see. Yep. Wow. And there's the new lows.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Good call out, Ace. Good call out. Tuned in on stream only today, and honestly, the 5-second delay is not bad at all. Love you, Sauce.
I don't think it's that bad.
It's not a 5-second delay.
It's not a 5-second delay?
Is it? Oh yeah.
No, he's saying like just naturally. We have no latency on, but
I mean, there was definitely room to enter that trade.
oh yeah. I mean, it came all the way back, and I made a joke out of it.
Shit, it's still going.
It's literally still going. Thank you, Meltman, for the follow, by the way. And nice reclaim right there. Oh.
Damn. Yeah, Ace, I got a bunch to do right now, my man.
No, you're
Might have
so
to-
good. I mean, you're finished. I already
You
made
might have to
what,
step away.
3,600.
Yeah, we might
So
have to.
I think we are so good. Let's switch it over to single cam Rams. Everyone say thank you to Vin for even just stepping in today.
Stepping in for
Yo,
1
we
second,
called
and
that
I gotta
bounce
plan
too, off the
6,000
50?
things. Bro, I love the bounce right there.
Louise.
All right, BB, I'll see you in a little bit.
All right. Later, Vin. Thank you for showing up today. Love ya. Text me. Vin for the win, for real. I think we're gonna get wedged here, guys, for a little bit until we can crack through our opening Brit, which starts all the way at 95. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, buddy. Ace, have you been catching any of the NBA playoffs so far? You know what's so funny? I was looking at the brackets and I'm like, man, I haven't watched a singular game. So I'm going to get back on it. I will catch up. I promise.
All the underdogs.
I know. I saw. Do you think Golden State continues that streak? They're the only game left, right, for game one?
Are they?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh shit.
Cause I'm slipping into the lava.
No,
I think the Warriors
They
get
won-
smoked
they won
tonight.
yesterday.
No lie.
they won yesterday.
We'll see. Who won yesterday?
Golden State.
First
First game today against Timberwolves.
that's what I meant.
Yeah. What? Oh, okay.
For game one of the second.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not?
I know.
Why not?
Oh, they're big underdogs.
Biggest underdogs, huh? The Warriors. So, guys, do we twiddle our thumbs now, or what's up? Just joking. If we can get a crack here of today's open, then there's definitely a move to be played. And you know what? I will. Let's use a different account for me now. Now that one's already at 36-ish. I think we can do a different account. I think it's this. Is that not it? Don't lie to me. Oh, it was the wrong one. Okay, new account. Nice little smack off that 800 and reclaimed. That's a nice suck up too of it. Let's see if we can get the close. Still on a 2-minute, and it's holding structure decently. Even if you wanted entry, 90 would be SL, risking 3-4 points right now. 5, 2. Then it would be a super tight SL from here. Yep. 89. I want to see 84 get tested, but I don't know if we get it. I still want it. I'll risk 4 points here. Yep, that's on me being greedy. And for it to just fucking get the works back up, Rams, it literally covered.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 4 points is not the risk I need to be taking. It definitely needs to be a lot more than that. So back in again. Not a good entry, but back in. And we are green. And there you go. Nice pop. 8 points. Waiting it out. I'm going to put my SL right under that 800 in case she does want to come back down. But nice catch on the way up right there for a nice 10-point move. Up 1200. Going to move that SL up now. I'll let it tap out if it needs to. 20 points right there, guys. And that's the SL that we needed. Beautiful catch. Jeez Louise. Just have to be a little bit more patient.
You see that now?
Yeah. What happened?
It's the long or short.
Oh,
It's so
yeah, that is tight, huh? Nice pop. 30 points, guys. Still running. I did get tap out of 1 con. And moving my SL to 1750, which might get tapped here. 1750. Currently up 2500. Nice. We got a Cleo at the door meowing away, up 30 points. Sure. You can let them in. That's a little lower than that. 15. We're playing with profits all the way through. Well, if it fails here. She's gonzos. Yep. And tapped. Nice, guys. Beautiful win right there. And if we can continue to get that crack right there, I would say a hold above that 25. We can see a continuation run into ORH. And I'm going to size down to 2 cons and hold that through now. So in again at 27. So still that initial run from the bottom. Just getting a little bit more of a squeeze from the initial entry up 40 points, guys. Still holding through. Only 2 cons in now. It's up $200 there. Not much. Not much for me. And there it is again. I don't want to see a fail. So SL can be super tight at this point now. Still like it around 18. Right where the previous wick. Okay, from there, tap into a little bit more now. There we go. I would appreciate if you stacked my SLs, Trade of 8. Oh my goodness. Beautiful pop, guys. And we are just rolling now. Up with K, 1,200. I'm moving my SL crazy tight now as this R gets depleted. And closing off. Beauty. Thanks. Nice 50 points there, guys. Gorgeous trades. And we should see a little bit of a smack here. Just a little bit. So only 2 cons in. Again, trading light and doing add-ins if I need to. And there we go. Nice, beautiful suck. Holy, SL tight. And I mean, Rams, that's 2,600 on one account, 3,000 or 3,600 on one account, 3,000 on the other. Do we call it here? At $6,600.
If you're green,
If you're green, got to keep it in the pockets. You're
no need to get
smoking
back.
these alerts, though. Good for a long high of day, new high of day. If we hold 840, I completely agree. 840 would be a beautiful hold, but then you do get trapped at that upper range where all that structure is. So you got this base, this base, this base, and this base, and that's all short term, right? So when you're looking at your 15, look how large that range is, all the way from that 840 all the way into that 892. And like, that is a range that you could play. At the end of the day, that's still 50 points. But I don't want to get caught in accumulation, especially being up as much as I am now. Beautiful trades though, guys. Absolute stunning. People are still saying no sound on Discord. Guys, it's not an Ace issue. Let's see if we can get some actual options this time, Rams. It's been a minute, huh? It's been a minute. Royal. Invite to speak. I refreshed Discord and the sound started playing.
Yo.
You sound good on my end. Thanks, Kurt. What is up, Royal? How you been?
Oh no, it's going great, man.
I know, shit, same. We're up 6,600 already on stream.
Sheesh. Yeah, no, me and Astro have been trading. Yeah, you know,
W. How's Astro been?
Oh, it's going great. It kind of I had to. It's kind of like I had to beat into him. Like he needed to come up with a strategy, so he's stressing less and holding longer. And we figured out, I guess, strategy that works for him and me too, by the way. But yeah, no, he has 5
I love
express
that.
accounts. He made 230 on each of them across the board, and he didn't
Ooh, let's
express
go.
them. And those are
W.
micro
Rams.
too, by the way.
Oh,
And
it switches over to your Discord.
Yeah,
It
and
switches over to your Discord whenever you change.
If
It
you
just
do the math.
exposed the chat.
yeah, if you do the math, that's like 690 after taxes and everything.
There's nothing bad in the chat though. It just says we're both done. What do we do now? Stroke each other off, and then it shows your profits.
Wait, what?
I don't know. Watch, do it again. Change the scene real quick, and then you'll see it on here. Try it though. I want to show you. Come back to the other one.
Okay, David.
Oh,
Oh, because
Oh,
I minimized it.
okay.
Okay, there we go. Usually I just have it.
I hate the ads on Twitch. I know, Pop Tart. I don't know on X if there's any ads, but I think there is a greater delay on X. Yeah, I don't know how the viewership works on X.
Hey man, if you want the least amount of ads, you can always sub to stock ads.
I mean, there's that too. Guys, from that initial long, currently up 60 points. And there is equal highs for today. Ooh. I want to see if I can get into some calls if we do break, because that would be really sexy. I think I'm done for futures. I don't really want to touch it anymore.
Yeah, you made
especially
money,
after
walk
being
away.
up, right? That's why. So I think it's time for me to touch some options since it's been a minute. Get some call outs going out there.
It's Fed week.
Thanks,
too.
Ace, for the live stream today. Made 620. W Scotty, let's go. Guys, and we are going to start running with TPT again. I know that Zach was having issues with FFF, and I don't really want to promote them if one of our own people are having issues with them. I have my own opinions of them. I think, yeah, they might be a little sketchy, but at the end of the day, it's still a prop that does pay. Rules were broken, unfortunately, on Zach's behalf. And yeah, they could have been 1,000% more lenient, but I don't know. I digress. I think it is what it is, kind of thing, kind of situation. I've broken rules on multiple props, and yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm gonna be done. But anyways, we're running with TPT. Use code ACE, and we are gonna start giving those accounts away again for this month. So run it up. We're gonna be running those exclusive giveaways for those that use code ACE. They do have the daily payouts. I have received daily payouts from them, and I can show you guys as well. Putting it on screen right there. And exit. So use code ACE on TPT. Get yourself some daily payouts.
Ooh, look at
Wow,
that.
that pop. Yep. That's what we wanted.
Could have gotten in your
Yeah,
cost.
80. That whole time I was yapping, bro. I could have been taking that. Okay, let's enter. How do I even do this, Rams? Ooh, damn. Right here.
We could go.
Yep, that's what I think. I think we can hold this now that we tested those lows. When we're looking at Qs, we are currently at 481.70. I want to see a nice extension for at least a halfway gap fill, which brings us right up to that 483-ish level. So that's what I'm going to target in terms of these options. Okay. Gorgeous. Cool.
First, if we can break below 2350 on the VIX, we're running. We're squeezing up.
Yep. And I just want to hold.
Someone's asking if you're in Q calls.
I am 483.
0 DTE at 109. Oh, am I supposed to say? Given that you're
No, you're
streaming
good.
it. Yeah. Okay.
You're good, Papa.
That's his entry, doesn't mean that's what you need again. None of this is financial
Right.
advice.
It never is. Never has been, never will be. And that's the best part.
He's just showing you what his brain is thinking.
Oh, it's 483. 10. Currently on 116. Cool.
Here she goes.
Here she tries. Nice. And 127 on the cons already, guys, for 17%. Why am I on my phone for this brokerage? Oh my gosh. That is hilarious.
Pulling in Amar.
Yeah, for real.
Speaking of Amar, hope everything is hopefully
We
everything.
can move SL up. That is a Sigma 1 deviation, guys. So that is a nice take right there. If anything, right around that 125 to 130 fill. QQQ and SL up that beach.
Everything good with Amar?
Yeah, Omar's been killing it. He's been sharing the room with Zach, I'm pretty sure.
Oh no, I mean personal life too.
Personal life as well. Oh yeah, super happy now. Wow, these cons be jumpy. They be jumpy.
Did he bring his? I guess has his wife come over yet or no?
Yes, that's why he's so
Okay.
papa.
Okay,
So
yeah. 'Cause
papa from papa.
I hear things are getting pretty scary over there. So at least his wife is with him then. That's good.
Although that's when you in settings to disable low latency mode. No, we want low latency. Silly ass Twitch. Wow, no soak up. Let's try to stay above 482 here, and then let's check out NQ once again. Tapped into that 19.9, which is exactly what we were looking for, which gave us over 100 points now on that call out to hold for that long. Still looking to squeeze a little bit more, and I'm finally getting my trim here at that 127. Give me 130, baby. Whatever. 127's happy with me. Moving that SL up on the main account. I'll take funds here. And I'll stay tight. Move SL. Scale, 4 cons, 127. All outs, 4 cons, 109. Nice. Sell to close. 4.
All right, Ace. Talk to you later. I'm gonna go work out now.
Later, puppy. Have a good workout.
Yep.
Oh, don't take me out already. As long as it can hold right here, that looks really good, and I can get a nice re-entry. There we go. Much love, brother. Much love to you. I appreciate you, Cam. Nice re-entry there. Still holding. Nice. 11% on new entry. 13. Give me more. Give me more. Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted. 22. And let's move that SL once again. Absolutely stunning. Oh. Don't you get that fill in more Rams? Jeez. Okay, it's okay. I still like it. Here she comes. Orders. Move it. Modify. Back to one here, guys, on the cons. This is where I re-entered. Beautiful. Nice pop again. So like I mentioned, got a nice re-entry at 1 and just holding right now, guys. Still up 10%. I'm going to go use the restroom. BRB. Yo, why are my slippers backwards? Guys, I just got filled. We love that. 132 fill. Absolutely gorgeous. SLBE 132 was filled. I can show you guys right here. My pinky promise. 132 just got filled. Move that echelon up, and we are chilling, big chilling. Scale. Nice. We love that, Rams. Big chillin' in the Holiday Inn. Bruh. What the heck? What the heck is this? What the heck? What the helly? What the helly? What the heck? What the helly? What the helly? What the heck? I took mine at 130. See, I'm on this too. W Pop Tart. W. Haha, joke's on you, Euro. I'm on Weeble as well. Joke's on you, Billy Bob. Oh, I need to charge my phone. Here, I'll show you. Chat. Yeah, whatevs. Was looking for NQ 125 for my cut. I love that. I fucking love that Pop Tart. You deserve that, to be honest. You deserve that.
You need to charge your phone.
I do.
Here, just stop this.
Whoa! Rams is giving me this block to slap on. Does it work through my case? It does. The Apple one is so much cleaner. I have one as well, but it's fat.
But the
And every
Apple one you gotta use differently.
Okay. What do you mean I have to use it differently?
I learned the trick because it doesn't have as much milliamp powers as like
Right, as the other ones.
What you gotta do, what I learned, is when your phone is like charged in the morning, slap it on then,
Like right away.
and then Apple like will intelligently like pull battery from your phone and that by like 6 p.m. you're still at 90% battery.
Oh, I see what you're saying. And what
Yeah.
you're saying is what you're saying.
Yeah,
Big
exactly.
saying. Ooh, 127 back on the cons. I think I'm gonna trim, do a little safety trim for a little bit more here. What you think, Rams? A little safety trim? Never hurt anyone?
Never heard nobody. Taking green.
Taking green is never wrong, Ram says. So, might have to be the move. Sell to close. Or, how about this? I'll just move my SL tighter. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Orders. Open orders. My stop, modify.
That's usually my preferred. Just move my stuff.
Preferred method. There we go. SLs have been moved. Never went broke taking profits, Hero says. That is big facts. That is big facts. Your voice has been reconnected. What? Reconnected. Testing. Guys, Discord is being weird. It's being weird. Come on, give us a pop. Give us a pop. Give us a pop. What a perfect PT though, huh, Rhymes? That deviation?
Yeah. That's
So sexy. Yes, Cleo. Hi, Mamas. You wanna come? Come. Come here. There we go. Hi. Oh, big purrs from the tiny girl. Cleo, we're just waiting for a play. Nothing's really going on, Mama. Put your bum down. Don't you dare spray me. Guys, it seems like Jordan's all alone in there. Should I go join him? Everyone, let's move over to Jordan's stage.
Today green. Regardless, we'll still finish today green, but try to get 100 points today, but this just looks so good. I think it's just markets just now chunks around. Who's on something? Oh shit, what's up, Ace?
What is up, Jordan? How you been? Yo,
What's good, bro?
I had to
Trying to make it
rewatch.
right.
Guys, if no one has seen it yet, everyone go watch Jordan's last reel. That thing's insane. You guys want to see him use a tongue scraper on a reel? Holy.
Yeah, we
Yo,
did
why
a
does this
lot,
guy
man.
have me bricked up last night? That's insane. That was
Yes,
so
sir.
inappropriate. Holy.
You gotta make sure you have good. You gotta make sure you have good breath in the mornings, man. It is a must. You gotta scrape your tongue.
I usually just have my girl suck my tongue. Wait, what? Yo, chill. We're still in stock dash. Jordan, what the heck, bro? My dog just went quiet. Oh, I think he got disconnected. That's crazy. Your camera? Oh, valid. You scared of Ace? I think so. He said, hold on. Hey. See if we can finally get this breakout, guys.
Yo, my camera keeps like overheating, so it like comes on and off.
Yeah, that's what
I'm
happens when
feeling-
you're that hot. That's crazy work. This guy's so cocky, bro. My
I'm feeling
goodness. I
long.
came in here. Oh, guys, those cons are at 35%, by the way.
Are you in longs too?
Yeah, we've been in longs. We called it out
Yeah, I've been
right
waiting.
at like 787. So well over like 130 points now.
Yeah, I've been holding. We caught a 50-point long, and then now this is my third trade. So
beauty. Yeah.
I'm gonna hold this a little bit. So we go to target here. Y'all, we get 24 points, a 1R. Stops to be at break even just in case my camera goes out again. I don't know, but my camera's like overheating. We're approaching that. Approaching a fib target here. Push a little higher. I want some solid continuation today. Give us one of those like NQ candles. Again, we get a 1R.
Cute.
Come on, come more
You're
points.
a beauty, Jordan.
Thank you, brother. Oh, we were so close.
Killing it.
I try to get about 100 points a day, like if the market allows for it. Sometimes it's faster than that.
I mean, that's the main thing. I mean, if the market allows
Yeah.
for it.
Sometimes it's not that easy, but
For real.
yeah, washing paint dry. I got this little extension draw here. I want to see how we react here. Small time frame. Might drag this up. Looks good. Let's see. Hopefully my camera doesn't go off, but
Maybe it's me.
no, it happens. Like when I'm on here sometimes too long, it like overheats. I didn't figure out like what's wrong with that battery.
What, your Discord?
Yeah, no, my Discord's been glitchy all day. People keep saying like my voice keeps cutting in and out. But they were saying the same with Vinny.
It happens with me too, bro. I'm not sure why.
I'm wondering if it's these stages.
I think so. It's like sometimes people's things work, and then sometimes it's like, yo, it's like my screen. Yo, it's like I can't hear you, and let it like join and come back. So we'll see.
I mean, we doing our part, and I think that's all that matters.
Yeah. Try our best
We
to
show
narrate.
up, and we here. Yeah.
Try our best to narrate. Come on, man. Give us just 24 points. Give us just one last pop. I can feel it coming. I can feel it. Anywhere between.
Yeah, night. Am I liking? Or did Jordan stop talking? I don't know. I think it's me.
I'm on your network.
No, bro, it's me. It's my computer. It's my camera thing again.
Oh.
Yeah, it's my camera thing again. I'm here.
You're
But anyway,
too good looking, bro. Your camera wants to hate on you.
Wants to hate on me. Oh.
Small account is about to get tapped here on these coupons at 120, so up 20%, letting go of 20%. But good secures, only one con left. For the option or for the future folks, still printed 130 points. Like I said, I was out of there after being up 6,600. No need to keep holding. I'm going to secure my profits, hence why I moved over to options for the rest of the session. Jordan seems to have killed it, which we love. Stock Dad's killing it around the board. Are you guys green or red for today's session? Put it in chat. Let me see. We got some greens.
Green. Look like this last trade
Green
here.
from Escar.
We'll get stopped. We'll see. I'm still holding.
Green from
Let's see
Pop
here,
Tart.
guys.
Green from Devin. Green, green, green. We love that. If you guys have any profits, make sure to put it in show gains. If it's coming from Jordan, make sure to tag your boy Jordan. If it's coming from me, make sure to tag your boy. We appreciate you guys forever coming to kill it with us.
For show. We're still in here, nick a day. Let's see. This be a last trade.
Got some from Ace and got some from Jordan. Jeez, you just be switching the stages then. I know, we need to get me and Jordan in the stage,
I definitely need to. Go to one time.
right? This is the real
Oh,
show right
got it.
here. Come on.
The last trade got stopped here. We'll take it. Still today, we realized probably about 70 points now between Adidas and I. But yeah, I'll call it here. Then I need to figure out what's going on with my camera though, side note. Oh man.
Are you using a dummy camera or a dummy battery?
Yeah, I think that's what it is. I'm using a dummy battery.
Okay.
And that's like because I always have, and maybe I'm like, maybe I actually start charging my actual battery and then start.
No, to be honest, I wouldn't do that. You'll destroy the battery. The dummy battery is actually the move, but I'm wondering why it's overheating still. What camera are you running? A Sony?
Sony like 8. Where do you say that?
6400?
Whatever. Yeah, something like that. It's like I don't know where I'll guess look at it when I can, but maybe it's somewhere in the back. I have the box. I bought it like not too long ago. Where's the box at? But yeah, it's only like 80 something. I bought it in 2024. But yeah, I'm not sure. I'm trying to find the box. Did I lose Ace? Did we lose him? Is it me or did we lose him?
No, I'm looking it up for you. So it
Oh,
says,
okay.
do you have the LCD screen flipped open?
No.
It says flipping it open can help improve airflow as well. So do that. You can
Ooh.
consider getting like a little fan for literally the camera itself. And then it
Yeah,
also says
that makes
inside of
sense.
your settings, inside of the settings, you can increase auto power off temperature, which basically lets it run a little longer than it should be instead of turning off.
On the camera?
Yeah.
Okay,
Other than
just
that,
you
it
check-
seems like
you
you're doing
check.
everything right. Yeah, because the dummy camera or the dummy battery is the correct move. So just open up the
Okay.
LCD screen. That way it has more airflow. Consider a second fan literally just for the camera itself.
Okay.
And then potentially in settings, you might be able to do something. But I mean, you're doing everything right. It's probably just how long we run these cameras for.
I think that's what it is. It's like I start running at like 8:30. So
Yeah.
it's just like for like 2.5, 3 hours, it's just like probably just like needs to cool down. But
Yeah.
that makes sense. Perfect.
Yeah, my Sony Alpha used to do the same thing until I switched over to the FX3.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think I have the FX3, but I know I have the Sony. Like I said, it's like 80. I don't follow the box, but yeah.
Yeah, no, I feel you. You done for today's session, Jordan?
I am done. I
am done
out
too.
here. You all, I'll post everything in my.
Did this guy cut out while speaking? That's so funny. This guy said LOLC. As this guy was about to wrap up, this guy just got cut out. But yeah, guys, I am finished. I think Jordan's finished. He just got cut out. We love y'all. Thank you guys for coming to support us every single day. And we shall see you tomorrow for Hump Day. And let's continue to kill it for this week. And tomorrow is FOMC. So please trade carefully. We could see a lot of volatility. We could see a lot of ranges. We could see nothing at all. So if you guys just want to sit on hands for the day, call it, and don't even trade your accounts or put any risk on the board, then you can definitely choose to do so. If you are trading, make sure to trade either lightly or keeping risk tight, so on and so forth. Trading to your rules is the most important thing at the end of the day. Nonetheless, a lot of prop firms have rules trading in it, so check in. Yeah, so there's that too. Pop Tart, I think a lot of people don't even expect the volatility prior to the move, so that's more so what I'm wording them for. But yeah, if you guys have any show gains, make sure to put it in show gains. Nonetheless, we love you, peace out, and we hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your Tuesday. Hope you guys made some money, and if not, reevaluate, study, and continue to do your work. Follow your rules. Later, peace.